Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a new pair of earphones to show you guys. These are the Evidson Audio's B3 in-ear wired earphones. They come in this compact box packing. You've got the Evidson branding here. The model is B3 and this is how the earphones look like. You've got a picture here. These earphones have rich bass, accurate acoustics and come with a tangle resistant cable. They come in 3 colors. I've got the red color one and it also has a microphone on it. That's really nice. Let's see what's written at the back side. There are no specs written on the box. The price over here says $12.99, but it's available for only 825 rupees on Amazon. And one more thing guys, these earphones are made in India. I'm really looking forward to check out the audio quality on them. There is nothing much written on the box. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape here. I want to thank Evidson Audio for sending me this product for review purpose. Let's open the box. Oh god. It's so tightly packed. Looks like we've got some note at the top. It's a thank you note from Evidson. That's really nice of them. We've got another tiny box over here. It says Evidson, made in India. I guess the earphones are in this box. And we also have a packet of extra earbuds. They come in both small and large sizes, assuming the medium ones come with the earphones. Let's open this box and check them out. So here they are, the Evidson B3 in-ear wired earphones. I've got the black and red color. They look quite attractive. It has a metallic finish on it. Let me just unwrap them and show you. This is how they look like. Okay guys, let's have a closer look at them and talk about the design and the build quality. The Evidson B3 earphones have an ergonomic design. They're quite small. The build quality is also good. The outer shell is completely made of metal. I think it's aluminum. You've got the left and right indications on them and the Evidson logo at the top. The quality of the earbuds is also good. They feel soft and comfortable. Let me show you the remote control. This is the inline remote control. Even this is made of metal. It only has a single multifunction button to play, pause the music and answer calls. And you've got the microphone above that. The inline remote runs down to this metal connecting point. The overall build quality is nice. And this is its cable. It has a 1.2 meter cable length and has a tangle-free design. It feels tough and durable. And this is its 3.5mm jack. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Evidson B3 earphones are very lightweight, weigh only about 13.6 grams. They fit perfectly in the ears and feel very comfortable to wear for long time usage. The noise isolation is also good on them. And talking about the audio quality is very nice considering the price point. The mids are crisp and clear, the high frequency response is nice, the treble feels silky smooth, and let me tell you about the bass. The bass on it is very good guys. It has that rich and deep bass up to 20 Hz. The overall audio quality was quite good and satisfying. The distortion was also very less even at max volume. The microphone was also good during call conversations. You'll definitely be satisfied with them for the price you're paying. So that was my review on the Evidson B3 in-ear earphones. The build quality is nice, they feel comfortable while wearing, and the audio quality was also really good. The only thing that was missing was volume control buttons. They should have actually included that. But apart from that, everything else was fine. They are priced for about 825 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.